Ayan, taga saan po tayo? Ayan, all the way from Isabela, of course, si Sis Joy. How about the others? Ayan, si Tita Fina is also from the US, di ba? So, same ba kayo ng time zone ni Doc Madela? Tita Fina, magsi 6 a.m. din ba sa inyo? MST din? Ayan, so hello sa mga tiga San Mateo, Rizal, Oriental Mindoro, di ba? Batangas City, Tanay Rizal, Pangasinan. So guys, let's give ourselves a pat in the back, di ba? No? So we can appreciate ourselves for being here, no? Being tawag dito, a perpetual learner talaga, di ba? And for tuning in despite all the personal schedules that we have, di ba? On a Sunday, alam naman natin yan, it's a day with the Lord and also a day to bond with family. Pero I honor everyone for making time for your business, for showing up, and that's very important. Okay, sa ating negosyo. Mag 8 a.m. na daw kila Tita Fina, so advance. Ayan, hello from Dubai. Hi, Miss Mel. Ayan, hello from Japan. Grabe, ibang level talaga yung mga attendees natin ngayon. Porque yung ating guest speaker ay international ha, sumasabay din yung attendees. So thank you so much for opening your camera. I am your host. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po dahil inabutan tayo ng nasa biyahe. So bear with me. I think as long as okay naman yung aking speaker, no, ang audio ko, that would be fine. And Sis Mads is here. Mads Felix, no, to support me just in case na mawala ako. Okay. So yan, hello to everyone. Thank you for opening your camera, Sis Joy, Doc G, Mads, Tita Fina, of course our Ruby Director, Mentor Nixie Fabros, kay Mel. Ayan, si Mel talaga nasa Japan, oh. And then, sino si ASL? Basta, ikaw na yan. Kay Miss Maricel, kay Miss Cynthia, kay Ate Myla, kay Kier. Sino so? Si Tita Myla to eh. Mga Zoom name nyo may mga screen name kayong tinatago. Ayan, and kay Kuya Tata. Ayan, Tata and us. So, diba? Kay Miss Rosemary, hello. So, kaway-kaway tayo sa isa't isa para talagang with energy natin na tawag dito na hindi naman po ako nagda-drive, pero thank you. Yung si fiancé ang nagda-drive. Ayan. So, para may energy tayo na i-welcome yung ating guest speaker for tonight. Okay, alam nyo ba guys, kailangan ROI talaga natin ito, yung event natin ngayon, okay? Yung talk ni Doc Madela ngayon. Kasi 6 months po ito in the making. Bago natin na-finalize yung sked ni Doc. So, tinignan ko kanina, kailan ko pa sinimulang in-invite si Doc? Parang August pa of 2024. So, we really appreciate yung effort ni Doc, yung time niya, and yung adjustment na 6 a.m. dapat tawag dito, at least niya pang hinihigop ang kanyang coffee and all, di ba? Having ang morning, ang kanyang breakfast in the morning, no? Pero ito, naglaan na siya ng oras for us. Alright? So, guys, allow me to introduce, no, with a grateful heart, okay, our guest speaker for tonight. And for us to really ROI itong event na to, no, I encourage everyone to open your camera, ready your notebook and pen, kasi baka may mga mapulot kayo dito na first time yung marinig. Okay? So nakikita naman natin to sa slides yung sana difference, diba, etc. Pero baka may specific na input na ngayon nyo pa lang siya maririnig. So at least, diba, fresh, first hand from the scientist mismo natin narinig. Alright? So, without further ado, as I've mentioned, we are starting on time. So let me call on our guest speaker for tonight. He is the Executive Director of Global Health Education and Nutrition Research at USANA Health Sciences Incorporated, of course, our company. And here in the Philippines, he studied medicine at URM and public health at College of Public Health sa UP. And he also studied he also studied International Master of Public Health at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, clinical trial management at John Hopkins University, executive leadership at University of Oxford. So talagang immersed na immersed, okay, sa learnings and all yung ating speaker ngayon. And that's something that we will leverage from, di ba? Imagine all the extensive studies, research, all the years, lengthy, hefty years of experience, no, na talagang and we hope to get, di ba, a fraction of that in an hour. Okay, so guys, let's open our cameras and let's type in the chat box. Welcome, Doc Roland Madela. Hi, Doc. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight po.
Hello, naririnig niyo ba ako?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
Doc.
Yeah, good, good. Apologies kung mukhang bagong gising lang ako. I just jumped out of bed. Ah, kasi alas 6 pa lang dito sa Utah. It's only 6 o'clock and it's a Sunday. Usually on a Sunday, if I don't have any travel, I wake up later. Every day I wake up like 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. But on a Sunday, medyo libre-libre, medyo natutulog pa ng konti. So, thank you for attending. It's very cold here today sa Utah. Um, so let's see. You want me to share my slides now? Marami kayo dito ah. Merong Dubai, Japan, saan pa? Canada, Philippines, of course. Um, I'm a little bit homesick. I think I'm going to your business summit in June sa Philippines, but I'm not sure yet. So, so our topic today is USANA difference. I want to see all your faces, kaya lang because of this view. Okay, I'm gonna share my slides. Do you see my slides?
Yes, Doc. All good po.
What do you see? Is it the whole slide or
Ano pa, Doc? Nakikita pa sa gilid yung list of slides. So, ayan,
there?
press na lang nung
Ito.
play, Doc. Yeah.
Huh? Do you see it now?
Hindi pa, Doc. Pa-press pa po ulit nung play slideshow.
Ito. Do you see the slide? It's showing in my screen.
Yes, Doc. Kita po yung slide.
Okay, okay. So, ang topic natin ngayon ay USANA difference. Why is it different from many companies, you know? So, we will discuss more. What is this slide? It says USANA difference. Merong SC dito, Foundation on is Science. It's focused on health. You know, yung USANA value, one of the values of USANA is focus on health. It focuses on excellence, health, community, and integrity. So it's a health science company. That's why it's called USANA Health Sciences Incorporated. And USANA
Doc,
is,
Doc, sorry to interrupt, pero if you can press this one po, para naka-ano siya, naka-full
ah,
screen siya, yes.
di ba, it's full screen on my computer.
baka nakaano ka, Doc, yung presenter view.
Okay, let me see.
Try mo ulit i-unshare, Doc, tapos share na lang ulit.
Hold on. Kasi working from home is difficult. Sa office, automatic lang yan na ano. Okay. Display settings. Okay. Yan, ano na? What do you see?
Yung buong slides pa, Doc. Let me know, guys, baka ako lang yung mali yung nakikita pa. Ayan, kita na daw to. Pa-share na lang ulit.
Guys, okay na yan, okay na yan. Let's continue na yan.
Okay na, Doc.
Okay na
Yes,
po.
better na
Thank
yan,
you po.
Doc. Thank you.
Okay, as I was saying, yung USANA difference is founded on science, it's focused on health, and it's always innovating. Okay, innovation meaning to say we are always trying to discover new things to improve our products. So USANA is founded by Myron Wentz, who is a visionary. Scientist, pero ano siya, visionary. We call visionary because malawak yung kanyang vision, hindi lang parang kabayo. Yung kabayo, di ba, merong sarado yung sa side. Diretso lang ang kita, wala na nakikita outside. But Dr. Wentz has a great vision. Meron siyang successful laboratory, but he sold that and instead developed a nutrition company which is called USANA, which some of you are members, maybe some of you are not yet members, but it's a great company because the vision is to create the healthiest family on earth. So Yusan had humble beginnings. Makita niyo maliit lang yung opisina niya dati. That was in 1992. Maliit lang. But if you go to Yusana now, it's a big office and meron pang mga building sa likod niyan, you know? And instead of renting a place, Dr. Wentz, because he's a visionary, you know, bumili siya ng lote, nagpatayo ng building. Dito sa US, maraming mga company like Yusana, nagre-renta yan. Million and million of dollars ang kanilang binabayaran to rent. But no, in our case, we own the land, we own the building, so we save a lot of money. We save a lot of millions of dollars every year because we don't rent. If you come to US, to Salt Lake, pag bumababa yung eroplano from the sky, you will see USANA. You will see on the window, USANA. Because nakasulat yan sa bubong niya. I'm sorry, I'm speaking in Tagalog. Baka meron dyan hindi makaintindi. Okay lang? Okay.
Okay lang, Doc.
So our flagship product is Essentials. Alam niyo yung Essentials na yan. It's our number one product, multivitamin and mineral supplement. And this is the history. In the first slide, you saw about innovation. Makikita niyo dito yung history. From essentials, it becomes essentials. Nagbabago yung mga ingredients to improve. Okay? Kasi ang science is progressing. We're not stuck in one formula. If we discover something that is great to add, we add. Kaya if makikita nyo dito from 1992 to 2016, even now, we are improving cell essentials. Makikita nyo yung vitamin D noon, 200 international units lang. Ngayon, more than almost 2,000 international units na. Because we are constantly innovating. Okay? Why are we constantly innovating? Because our aim to develop and provide the highest quality science-based health products. Di ba ang vision natin is to have the healthiest family on earth? Well, in order to have the healthiest family on earth, aside from eating good and exercise, healthy lifestyle, it's a reality that globally we have nutrition gap, you know. Maraming tao ang may problem sa nutrition, they don't eat enough. So, we produce health products in order to solve the nutrition gap. And we are proud of USANA because we are advanced, we are on the cutting edge. Pag sinabi mong cutting edge, talagang advanced yung science namin sa USANA, We keep abreast, we see all the latest medical journals, public health journals, scientific journals, see what is good in there that maybe we can adopt. And we do clinical research. We study our products on humans first before we even sell them to make sure that they are safe and working, efficacious, and at the same time safe. We do research to identify the purity of product ingredients. Kasi maraming ingredient ang hindi pure, mga contaminated. Okay? We study the mechanism of action of active ingredients. We study why the product works. Okay? And we do product specific testing, like we do, not only do we do test the ingredient, we test the product itself. Well, pag naghalo-halo na yung ingredient, we test again. Okay, we do a lot of testing before the product is made and after the product is made. For example, for Copa Prime, we did testing. Cell Essentials, we did testing. So we have a lot of scientists. We have pharmacists, public health people, MD, you know, biochemists, a lot of expertise in order to be able to make a product that you are all consuming or promoting. And we also collaborate with a lot of universities all over the world in order to test and study the products, okay? We are not even required in the United States to test with clinical trials, but we do it. Why are we doing in USANA? Because it costs a lot, masyadong mahal to test the products. Why are we doing it? Why? In order to prove it works and it's safe, to gain your trust and to gain credibility. So these are some of the universities and institutes that we collaborated worldwide. Okay. So mostly in United States, we have some in Europe. I wish I could come and do it too in Philippines. Wala pa kaming nakitang partner dyan. But Australia, you see, in China, we are dealing with Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. So, marami tayong partners. Saka yung mga partners na yan, they really are very distinguished partners. Hindi just sabi nila sa English. Hindi basta-basta. Okay? They are really credible. Okay? Hindi patakbuhin na institution. And if you go to ask the scientist, hindi compliant ang as the scientist for United States, but you can also visit it for information. These are just example of some research that we do, pero marami doon. If you go there, there's a research by product, research by third party. So we publish in scientific journals. If you're familiar with PubMed, yung repository ng research sa United States that can be accessed globally, you will see them there. If you're indexed in PubMed, that means to say you have a credible paper. Kasi ito yung sinasabi kong website that you can visit. But this is compliant for United States kasi yung mga label dito, ingredients and explanation, the claims are for United States. But you can read it for information. Kasi yung mga claim nyo dyan sa Philippines, medyo there's some modifications. Okay? We have a global safety monitoring program that I also head. And we monitor globally yung safety ng products. Kung merong nagreklamo that I took a product and I had a headache, I had plenty of gas, I have stomach pain, it goes to our department and we analyze. Most of the time, it's not related to the product. Sometimes the one complaining may have pre-existing conditions, So, but we have a very excellent safety record. So if you are talking to your guests, explain to them that our products are really safe. At the same time, it works as shown by the clinical trials that we do. Because some products that you see in the market, maraming product dyan na baka safe, but it doesn't work. Okay? May mga product naman na nakikita niyo dyan sa labas na it may work, but it's not safe. So it has to be both. It has to be working and it has to be safe. Now, one of the differentiators of USANA, kung bakit nag-iiba ang USANA sa iba, ay we call it cellular signaling or what we call intelligence. Okay? So, narinig nyo na yan intelligence before. It's a differentiator. So, cellular signaling is important in the body because without cellular signaling, a person is dead, because your cells are not functioning. If there's no cellular signaling, that means to say your cells are not communicating, there's no nerve transmission, there's no production of important hormones in the body, enzymes in the body. So you need cellular signaling to survive. Sometimes they're described like dominoes that once you start cell signaling, it just goes on and on, until a terminal response is seen. Like this one, This is an example. I hope you will see the video. You see, this is a domino. For example, you take a supplement, there's cell signaling, it goes around, touches everything until at the end, there's an effect. Okay? There's an effect. That's called cell amplification. Okay? And your cells are always communicating. Pag hindi na nag-communicating yan, patay ka na. Okay? You're a dead organism. Because in order to have energy in the body, narinig nyo na yung ATP, di ba? Adenosine triphosphate. in order for you to produce that, for your mitochondria to produce ATP, you have to have cellular signaling or intelligence. For example, if you take one of the supplement, there's cell signaling, there's a signaling molecule that is activated. You see that, the green dot there. The signaling molecule will activate a receptor in the cell. Yung blue cell dito na naka-locate dito sa cell membrane, yung cover ng cell. Once there's a combination of the signaling molecule and the receptor, there are a series of changes inside the cell. It's called transduction. Okay. And with the series of transformation in the cell, it will finally result to a cellular response. Okay. So USANA Intelligence, this is a technology actually. This is what we use in order to find ingredients that can affect cell signaling, so that we will find ingredients that will really support the body's processes so that you have ultimate health, you know. So these are some example. Celavive is a intelligence product. Hepasil, Metabolism Plus. I think you call it in a different name in Philippines. It's called Active Plus. We have Copper Prime, Cell Essentials. So these are some of the intelligence products. Not all the products are intelligence, but it works anyway. But many of the products are intelligence. And we are continuously researching on intelligence in order to find the best products for you. That's why itong intelligence is a differentiator for USANA. It's something that sets it apart. Okay. What is another important of intelligence is you find products that will cause homeostasis in the body. There's balance. Okay. So we follow good manufacturing practices. Dito sa US, all over the world actually, it's a requirement that in order for you to manufacture any product, supplements, drugs, or something, you have to follow GMP, good manufacturing practices. And it's a very, very extensive process for you to be certified as a GMP. If you don't have a GMP certification, then you are not a good company. Yung GMP certification, maraming requirements yan. In order, ini-inspect ka ng FDA, you're inspected by government agencies to make sure that you are following manufacturing practices that are safe, they're clean, you know, there are no contamination, and we go beyond the standards. Okay. So when we talk about quality is connected to many things. It's connected to rigorousness, extensive research. You know, we talk about quality of the materials that we use to manufacture, the quality of the formula that we make, you know, the manufacturing process itself. And we continue to monitor, even if it's already manufactured, all over the world, we monitor what is happening with the products. And then we continuously improve the quality of the product too. Okay, Cell Essentials is good now, 2025. but maybe we will discover something that will result to a better quality than what it is now. So we are continuously improving. And we manufacture our own products. That's why we have control. We are able to control. Maraming supplement company, they don't manufacture their own product. So they don't know. You have no control if you are renting somebody or paying somebody to make your product. You don't know if they're doing it right. They're cleaning the equipment that they're using to make the product. But in our case, we have control because we manufacture our own. We have three manufacturing facilities. One in United States, the one you take in Philippines is made in USA. China have their own manufacturing facility because it is required by the China government. India have their manufacturing facility because it's more logical to do it there, cost-wise and regulatory reason. So this is our facility here, and it goes until the back. If you look at the back, there are some buildings there. USANA owns them too. Maybe some of you have come to USANA already, right? Some of you. If not, maybe you will have a chance to come in the future and visit our office. My office is right there in front, um, third floor. You can visit me there. So when we buy the ingredients, we test them. Our ingredients mostly come from United States, some in Europe, a few from China, but it's all over wherever we can find the best ingredient. So before we buy the ingredient, we test them. When it arrives in USANA, we test them again. When it's mixed with the product, another testing. Before it's released to you, we test it again. So you see how many times we test the products because we want to make sure that they are safe and working. So we test for bacteriology, microbiology, chemical testing, contamination testing. So all the available testing there just to make sure everything that you put in your mouth and stomach and skin are safe. And these are they are giant mixing machines. If you go inside the building, the products are mixed like that. And these machines are clean. Every time something is mixed, they're cleaned with distilled water and then dried with the clean air. Okay. Then in the laboratory, another testing. We test the tablets if they break easily. If they're too soft, we cannot release them. We test the color of the tablet. We test the coating of the tablet. Finally, when we are satisfied, it goes to bottling, okay? I'm amazed sometimes how these equipment are designed. They're very exact, you know. It counts the number of tablets when they're bottled. So it weighs the bottles. Anything that is not with the standard is rejected. Okay. You see this. You will see this if you come to our office. You can visit the manufacturing facility and you will see how clean it is. The facility is so clean. Not anyone can enter there. You have to use a special gown, hair cover for the shoes in order to avoid contamination. You cannot just open the door. You need to have somebody to open it for you. Okay. It's very clean. The building has no ants in there, no cockroach, no rats. Walang ipis, walang ano bang tawag sa rats ulit? Daga. Yeah. Yeah. Very clean. Even when we try to, even in the storage facility, it's very clean. Okay. This is the quarantine area to make sure that we are, there each product is observed, test for stability. It's a big storage area. They're classified by country. You have your own shelf for Philippines, for example. These products are for Philippines, they're products for Australia, products for Japan. So, and hopefully it comes to you in the same condition as when once it's out of our building, hopefully the one who is storing or delivering in your post office will be okay. See? You see how clean our facility is? Even the floor is shiny. Naalala ko yung commercial dyan sa Philippines. Ano nga ba yun? Johnson Wax. Floor wax. Makintab ang sahig. Yeah. That was the advertisement long time ago. Wala pa siguro, hindi pa kayo siguro pinanganak. That was in the 60s and 70s. Okay, so with all the things that I've shown, quality, safety, that's why we come out with products like Essentials, that hopefully it comes to you in pristine condition or excellent condition. And we have third-party testing. Aside from the testing that we do in USANA, nakita nyo naman, pinakita ko na, ang daming testing, di ba? Before we buy it, after we buy the ingredient, after we mix the ingredient, when it's mixed, the product, we test again. So, hindi pa kami satisfied, we let others test it too, third party. You have NSF testing, you have USP testing, you want it to be certified by sports agency so that the athletes can take it. There's a sports certification. So, what else can you ask for after so many testing? Yeah, I showed that before. GMP. We are certified by FDA too. Okay. And we work with many global agencies all over the world. May FDA din kayo dyan sa Philippines. We have our own FDA here. Other countries, they call it other names. In VIMA, Health Canada, they all have the same function to regulate the product. You have to adhere to the policies. Otherwise, you cannot be allowed to sell that in other countries. Australia, they call it TGA. Okay. And I mentioned that thousands of professional athletes use, that is one gauge. Yung mga athlete, I don't know if you know, but you probably know that before they compete in Olympics, right? They test them for uh, prohibited substances. That's why we have the anti-doping laws for athletes. And with the thousands of athletes that consume our products, it's proven that it's safe because none of them tested positive for prohibited substances. We, s- we have the so-called athlete guarantee program. Okay. So we guarantee that our products do not have banned substances. Like in the last Olympics, there were 257 athletes that qualified for the Olympics, so many medals. Paralympics, we also have a lot. Okay. And every year we win many awards. This is something we are very proud of because not many companies win awards. Like in United States, in Utah, we have the company of the year. Every year we win it, the best company. Number one rated brand by the Direct Selling Association. We have the best manufacturing company, best supplement. See, these are examples of some of our awards. Like in Philippines, you were awarded many times number one dietary supplement. In Hong Kong, in Taiwan, in Malaysia. Uh, so if you receive these many awards, that means to say your products are really great. Okay? Hindi ka naman basta-basta ina-awardan ng kung ano ka lang. Just ka lang na company. Right? So, kung basta-basta ka lang, you don't get an award. This is number one. Hindi number two, hindi number three. Okay? It's number one. If you're manufacturer of the year, meaning to say you outdid other manufacturers in the area. Okay? Very obvious naman if you come to USANA and visit it in United States. Very imposing, very impressive yung manufacturing area. Okay? So I think this is the last slide. Oh, okay. So this is the last slide is we want to emphasize that USANA Health Sciences Incorporated is founded on science. It's founded by a scientist. He is not, it's not only founded by a businessman who just wants to make money. Okay? It's founded by a scientist that cares for the health of humanity. That's why it's founded on science. We are not just mixing any ingredient and sell it without any testing just to have a business. Okay? We are really serious about science and it's focused on health. That's why all our products are guaranteed to support health. Okay? And always innovating. Our products are not stagnant. Hindi yan, kung nagawa na yung product, for example, oh, that will last for another 50 years. No. If, for example, we found a product today, but after 2 years, we find that it can be improved, then we will improve the product. So innovation also means we discover new products, not only improving the existing products, but we discover new products. And how do we discover new products? Again, by research, sometimes ideas come from many people, many scientists, people like business people, even from you. Ideas can come from associates like you. Maybe you find something interesting or helpful in your community and you can write to USANA and suggest that maybe USANA you can make this product. Okay. So thank you again. I think this is the last slide. So I don't know what is the plan. If you want to ask any question, we
Thank you
want
so much, Doc. Grabe. Sobrang siksik, liglig, umaapaw in just 40 minutes or 35 minutes. So, thank you, Super Doc. And syempre, we are opening the floor now for some questions. Pero can I just say na ang dami kong napulot from that very, concise, okay, na talk about the USANA difference, okay? And I find it amazing na pwede pala nating i-explain in layman's term yung intelligence technology as dominoes. So parang first time ko narinig yun. And sabi ko, o nga, no, so susunod yan ang pwede kong gamitin. Okay. So habang yung iba nag-iisip pa ng tanong, no,
We will call you. Just type in me if you have a question so we can unmute you. Okay? So, ako, Doc, may question ako. Okay? So, lagi nating naririnig na especially when we talk about the comparative guide na USANA has been rated 5-star Platinum Plus, and with Platinum Plus it says that pharmaceutically graded kasi siya. So I just wanna hear it from a point of view ng scientist. How would you explain the term pharma graded? Kasi ako para ang understanding ko, efficacy wise, parang ka-level siya ng gamot. Parang that's how I would say it. Pero paano ba siya e-explain ng someone from the medical field? Ayan. Thank you, Doc.
So first of all, our products are supplements, right? They're not classified as drugs. But the reason they are certified USP. USP is United States Pharmacopoeia. It means to say that we follow the same process of manufacturing like what the drug companies do. You know, same GMPs. We follow the same processes to determine the purity of the product, the safety of the ingredients. That's what it means, you know, that we follow the same process. It's not just because it's a supplement, ano lang siya, basta-basta lang ang paggawa. But it's the same process, strict process to have high quality, like how you make the drugs, okay? But it's not a drug. In US, it's not classified as a drug. In some countries, it's over-the-counter drug, but it's not, hindi siya antibiotic, hindi siya, you know, hindi siya Tylenol, hindi siya, you know what I mean. Okay? USP. One of the slides I showed you is it's certified USP and NSF and all those. Okay.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Doc. So at least tama yung masasabi namin when we talk to guests, no, na yun pala siya, pharma graded because same processes with pharma company. Ayan. So meron tayong iilang katanungan dito, Doc, sa chat box. So meron dito, Doc, nagtanong, bakit daw sa Salt Lake City, Utah? Sa Salt Lake City, Utah, yan, ang manufacturing plant. So may idea ka ba, Doc, bakit diyan naisip ng
I don't know.
company natin?
Maybe we should ask Dr. Wenz. But
Ayun.
Salt Lake noon, when they were building, maraming reasons why you choose a place. First, the place is safe. You have plenty of space. Nakita niyo naman yung space when I showed you the slides. In 1992, marami pang space sa Utah, you know? You go to New York, it's so expensive to build anything there. You go to Dallas, it's so crowded. But Salt Lake is so nice. If you come here, it's in between the mountains, it's a valley, okay? But maybe when you see Dr. Wenz in Salt Lake, you ask him personally, Dr. Wenz, why did you choose Salt Lake City?
Tama. First hand natin matatanong. Sige. So, ito pa, Doc. Another question. What products are you taking daw po?
I'm taking Cell Essentials, of course. Okay. I'm taking Biomega. I take Coco Prime. I love Coco Prime, you know, especially with my age. But with my age, I'm still healthy and strong. You see, I was born in the 50s, you know, but I'm okay. I can think well. I'm still strong. I can walk. I can still run. I can jog. There are some people who are 20 years old, they're already very tired. But I take most of the vitamin, you know, I take Procolsa for my joints. And but I don't even have a aching joint, but I just take it for maintenance. You know. So
Ayan.
I think we have a lot of supplements in US that you don't have there. Ano pa ba? Vitamin C, of course, proflavonol C. You need a lot of vitamin C to support your immune health. Okay? Even if I eat well and I exercise, I still take supplements in order to ensure that I'm taking the right amount of nutrients in my body. Kasi di ba I mentioned yung nutrient gap? That's one of the problems of many population. I think when I went to Philippines, Jan, I presented to you a slide that in Philippines, there's still a lot of nutrient gap. Maraming deficiency in vitamins and minerals, okay? That's why there's an opportunity for you, associates of USANA or consumers, there's an opportunity for you to grow there because in our country, in Philippines, we still have a lot of people with nutrient problems, okay? Especially with our very fast lifestyle. Siguro some of you skip breakfast because you're busy to go to work. You don't eat lunch because you're overworked. No, you have to eat. Many of you kape-kape lang sa umaga. Well, you have to eat something. If you don't eat, then take the supplements so you get the nutrients that you need. Okay? You have to feed your cells with the right nutrients.
Thank you so much, Doc. Doc, another question. Do we have reference for the bioavailability of the product? Like, where do we get it? To check yung bioavailability ng each product. Kasi parang ang alam lang natin yung sa Essentials, it's 96.1 based dun sa comparative guide.
There is a research on cell essentials kasi yung iba, like some doctors, they tell you, oh, it's a waste of time or waste of money to take vitamins and minerals because you don't absorb them. This is not true. We have shown when we did a research in cell essentials that they took the cell essentials and then we measured the vitamins in there. We measured some of the vitamins, some of the minerals, and it showed in the serum of the blood. So that means to say that the nutrients were absorbed. Kung inihi mo lang yon, wala kang makikita sa blood test. But it showed in the blood test. So it's available, bioavailable. And many of the ingredients that we use are already proven by science to be bioavailable, like Biomega, you know, the things that, and when we also purchase an ingredient before mixing it, already the manufacturing has a data on the bioavailability of the product, okay? And we trust those vendors that sell the ingredients. And then when we test the products again, it shows that they are very available. Okay. You can see that in Ask the Scientist website. But you feel yourself, right? You feel yourself. If it's not bioavailable, you would not be healthy. Okay. I feel myself. That's the best gauge is when you take it and you feel something different, then it's working in your body. Your body has absorbed it. If you take Copper Prime, for example, and you see you have improvement in supporting your memory or mood, then it's working. That means to say it's bioavailable in your body. If you take Procosa and you see that your joints are better, then it's a proof that it's bioavailable in your body. That's the best proof is how you feel. Okay.
Alright, thank you, Doc. And then, let's call in si Jam. Ayan, may question daw siya. Sige, Jam, you can unmute now.
Hi po, Doc. Question is, from a doctor, how can I convince other doctors, or get them to buy into either, letting a patient take USANA or prescribing it to other people? Kasi other doctors po, umpisa pa lang, Doc, pwede po bang ipatake si mama ng USANA, ganyan. No, kagad. So, I mean, obviously, I don't wanna take the time and say, bakit po, or whatever. Diba? Parang, okay, fine. But
Yeah.
how can we say that USANA is a good product or whatever?
Yeah. So, you know, when we went to medical school, although it's improving now, we were never taught about supplements and nutrition. So a lot of these doctors, they don't know anything about nutrition, honestly. So you have to educate them. You have to educate them. Like in United States, nag-improve na yan. We have a survey here in United States. It shows that the number of doctors that are willing to use supplement and prescribe supplements or recommend supplements are increasing. It has something to do with education because why will like before when I graduated from medical school too, it's all about drugs. Prescribe this, prescribe that, when I was practicing there in Manila, dun sa I had my own clinic, but I was a resident at PGH. No, we were prescribing left and right drugs because that's what we were taught. But after that, I studied more nutrition. That's how I came to know about the importance of nutrition. Then I studied supplements. That's where I came to know about the effect of supplements in filling up nutrient gaps. That's why you need to help the physicians and nurses. Actually, more nurses understand what supplements are and nutrition because the nurses have more units of nutrition in class than the doctors, honestly, right? That's why they understand more. But the doctors, we help them understand. People don't recommend anything that they understand because they are afraid of it. Kahit ako naman noon, if I didn't understand, ano ba yung magic potion na yan? So, but if I understood it, now I know what it does in the body. Like we studied intelligence, we know what it means. We know what cell signaling is. What are the example of cell signaling is? What is the effect on mitochondria? So we have to patiently educate the health professionals, you know. That's why John, meron na kayong program na health coaching yata sa Philippines, right? Or targeting health professionals in order to let them to open their eyes to the possibility of their patient taking supplements. Kasi ang supplement is just like food naman, right? It's just that they are higher grades of food because they're concentrated, you know. So sometimes the doctors they don't know what it is, so you have to tell them, oh, this maybe doc, this my mom can take Vision X because oh, that's one of my favorite products. Uh, maybe you tell your physician that maybe doc, my mom can take Vision X because her vision is becoming not so good, deteriorating, Then you explain to them what is Vision X. Now many doctors know what lutein and zeaxanthin is. Before we did not know what that was. Okay? So we have to patiently explain to them. And I don't blame them. Kung na-train ka lang sa drugs, then you will only give drugs. But like here in US, for example, maraming doctors dito. They're members of CRN, Council for Responsible Nutrition. There's even doctors here now that conduct seminar on integrative medicine. They incorporate supplements, you know. Uh, so it will take time, but that maybe that should be your mission. to do some education with the doctors. You point to them our research. Kasi yung ibang doctor, they think, oh, that's quack medicine, Quack, yung witch doctor or something. So they think you will just urinate it. Expensive urine. But it's not true. We have shown it that our nutrients are absorbed by the body. So, and even when they're even welcome to write us, the doctors, if they have questions, they're welcome to write USANA, ask questions. So, and we can explain to them.
Ayan, thank you so much, Doc. Doc, siguro follow up lang dun sa nabanggit mo na they can email. Ano pong email yung pwede nilang sendan? Naka-mute ka, Doc.
They can send it to us, the scientists, or send it to my
Okay.
email. My email is my name and usanainc.com. Rolando.madela. My name is Rolando actually. Nung napunta ako
Yes.
dito sa Amerika, yung mga Amerikano, tinanggal yung O. Kaya naging Roland na lang. So Rolando.madela at usanainc.com.
Yesanainc.com. Alright, got it. Thank you, Doc.
Oo,
Ayan,
I prefer to get it to the email than Facebook. Kasi yung Facebook, that is unofficial.
correct.
We
Yes.
cannot respond properly on Facebook because it's not the official channel. Yeah.
Right. Ayan, may follow-up question din ata si Jam, Doc. Sige, go ahead.
You're muted.
Ayan, thank you. Doc, one more question, sorry. Why do they have different names for the same products? Like in the US, they have Metabolism and we have Active Plus.
Yeah, because of regulation. Yung regulation nyo dyan sa Philippines.
Oh.
They don't allow metabolism as a word. So the Philippine office have to find a different name. Like in Mexico, the FDA there, they don't like the word metabolism because it connotes drug, something. So they called it MTB plus. So yung mga change of name is just because of regulation of the country. Otherwise, we would prefer that whatever we name it here, pareho lang sana dyan. But because of the regulation of the country, it changes. But the effects are the same. Okay?
Thank you po.
Mhm.
Ayan, thank you so much for that question, Jam. Ayan, and then let's call in Mentor Nixie. Ayan, go Mentor.
Hi, Tito Doc. Nice to see you ulit. Doc, yung first question, actually tatlo lang po siya, pero yung first parang related po siguro dun sa tinanong ni Miss Jam. Yung cell essentials po natin, sa Philippines, ang nakalagay sa label is ascorbic acid. Maraming nagrereklamo, ayaw daw nila nun. But I know po, yung ingredients natin is all ascorbates. So, how do we answer that or Respond to that.
Yeah, they're all the same. Again, because of regulatory, they're called different names, but bakit daw ayaw nila ng ascorbic acid? From time immemorial, that's what we have been using. I've been using ascorbic acid before, and I'm still alive until now, you know. I mean to say, a lot of people, they depend on the internet to read so many silly things, you know. Alam mo sa internet, marami kang nababasa. I mean, it's good. It's good to explore, but sometimes it affect their decisions. And many of them are not scientific. So, so it's okay. For me, they're the same, actually. Ang difference niyan is where you get it. That's what I want to say. where you source it. We source our products from, we source our ingredients, I mean. We have already tested it. You may call it another name. The internet will say it's the best, but you don't know where it was sourced. Yeah. But with the USANA, it's guaranteed that the sources are always vetted. Talagang pinili yung source. Yeah.
Thank you po. Yung second question, Doc, ito naman is nakikita namin to sa US market na nasa label, yung Prop 65, kasi parang may naging client po ako, pinakita ayaw niya ng inumin. Bakit daw may ganong label? Parang natakot siya something
Regulation.
about sa cancer.
Regulation yan ng California.
Mm.
Okay? But in other states, we don't have that. Yung regulation lang yan. Sa Canada, pagbasahin mo yung label ng Canada, mas nakakatakot kasi required yun ng government. Like, maybe it causes this, maybe it causes that, because that's the requirement of the government, but it has not been shown to cause anything. Like, the reason we have a safety monitoring program in USANA is to show that our products are safe. Each country has a regulation. For example, sa Canada, meron silang tinatawag na monographs, and you have to put a lot of things on the label that in US we don't put because US thinks it's not necessary. So, yung Prop 65 is just to inform the customer part of the label for information, but it doesn't mean to say that it causes cancer, you know. So,
Totoo po yun. And last, Doc, since yung connected din kay Jam about the doctors, kasi may mga nakakausap kami doctors, nung nagpapakita kami, ako personally, nung nagpapakita ng research ni Yusana, and even as the scientist, ang sinabi nung like tatlong doktor nung chinek daw nila, lack of human trial daw yung papers natin or yung pinapublish ninyo sana. Yun po.
because we have so many kinds of papers, we have preclinical studies are tested in animals and tissues and laboratory. Pag sinabing clinical trial, that's human trial. So baka yung binasa nila preclinical. Kailangan ang basahin nila yung human clinical trials. And we have those uh, in the product section even. It shows there the clinical trial done. You have to tell them the difference between preclinical and clinical. Pag sinabi mong clinical trial, tao yun, human trial. Okay? So maybe they read something else. Baka nabasa lang nila yung laboratory testing, test tube testing. Because we have so many kinds of testing. Test tube testing, animal testing, human testing. Mhm. And our clinical trials are published in index in PubMed. If you're indexed in PubMed, that means to say that your paper is credible, your research is credible. You look at PubMed, PUBMED, it's the National Repository of Research in the United States of the National Institute of Health. Okay. Yeah, tell those three doctors to call me too.
Opo.
Baka iba yung nabasa nila. Ah.
Doc, yung PubMed po ba open sa public or
Oh
kailangan
yeah, that's
magbayad?
open to public and free.
Okay. Thank you po.
Mm. I-Google nyo yun, PubMed, PUBMED.
Thank you, Doc. See you soon po.
So many journals in there, all kinds of scientific journals.
All right. Thank you so much, Mentor
Y-
Nikki.
yung mga doctors, you should make them your friends and allies. Do not antagonize them. You need to educate them too. Okay?
correct.
They have
Yes.
to they have to have an open mind.
Right. Thank you so much, Doc. Doc, may questions pa tayo. I think few more. So ito, Doc, sabi niya, can you explain, Doc, why our product has no label, no approved therapeutic claim?
No, no label? What?
Yeah, why our products has no label of no approved therapeutic claims. I know hindi naman lahat ng
Oh,
products natin ang wala, pero for those products na walang label na no approved therapeutic claims. So
kasi
hindi,
may
guys, hindi lahat ng products
Philippines,
natin yung
Philippines
wala ha.
lang yan. Philippines lang yan because it's required by your government. Again, but it doesn't mean anything, you know? It's the
So
same
sa
product that,
US,
it's
Doc,
the
lahat
same,
ba wala?
huh?
Sa US po ba lahat ng products natin wala siyang label na no approved therapeutic claims?
No,
Ah,
because
alright. So
regulation
dito
nyo yan
lang.
dyan. It's
I see.
regulation in Philippines. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the
I see.
same. The same product that we manufacture here, you have it there. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Doc. And Doc, ito po, another question. In the next 10 years, what can we expect sa innovations or products in Yosana? Like, saan po yung leading ng ating scientists?
Maraming trend. We are looking at all the trend. There are many innovation in skin products, many innovation in probiotics, innovation in women's health, so innovation in men's health. So lahat yun tinitignan. That's why we have a big research group in USANA. And we are looking at all the possibilities that we can explore, you know. Uh, so it's exciting. Actually, if some of you will come to convention in August, you will see new ones, innovations. Okay, exciting. And then 2026, we already have a plan, 2027. So it's continuous. It's continuous that we explore product possibilities. Sometimes we don't want to announce it in advance kasi makikita nyo na lang pag na-launch na kasi pag in-announce po in advance, nawawala yung magic. Nawawala yung expectation becomes too much and it's better you'll see it in August, the new ones. Yeah. Then we already have a 5-year plan, 7-year plan. Yung mga products kasi, matagal yan na gawin. Like yung Copper Prime. When we did the Copper Prime, it took us, by the time it was an idea and it came out, it was more than 5 years. You see? Hindi basta-basta hinahalo yan sa mesa. Okay? It has to be researched very well that it really works. You have to see the safety. So if you have a company that makes supplements in 6 months, that's a problem, because they're rushing everything. But in USANA, it takes years to develop a product. Okay.
Thank you, Doc. Doc, another question. How long does it take for the processing of product innovation testing, clinical trials, etc.? Kumbaga parang how long it takes until ma-release daw. So siguro yung
Depende
isang
sa
lot, Doc, or isang batch, ganun.
depende sa product because each product they have different ingredients, di ba? Yun, depende sa stability ng ingredients. Sometimes a product is finished in 3 years, 2 years. I'm talking about by the time the idea was suggested to invent a product, right? So it takes 3 years, 2 years. Clinical trials, it takes time too. Sometimes it takes a year or 2 years. By the time it's published, it's the third year. So talagang matagal yung process. Okay?
Alright, thank you so much, Doc. Ayan, parang nabasa ko naman lahat, no? Let me know, kindly chat. kung meron akong na-miss out. Pero ako, Doc, meron din akong kahabol na tanong. So, ang doctors kasi mostly ang itatanong nila, ano yung active ingredients? Ganyan. So, ang question ko is, with the active ingredients na meron tayo, like for example, sa Hepasil, di ba, active ingredients yan, miltefil or silimarin, kung mas kilala dito sa atin sa Pinas. Ang question ko, Doc, is yung active ingredients pa, meron siyang effect para ma-categorize tayo as pharma-graded, or pharma-graded is just basically, as you've mentioned kanina, na dahil same process with the pharma company,
Yeah, it's
with
because of
other
the
pharma
same
companies.
it's because of the same process. The way it's made is it followed the USP standards, you know. But the active ingredient, kasi yung product natin may active ingredient and may excipient, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
excipient, yun lang yung mga panghalo
Filler.
para fillers or para matigas yung coating,
Yes,
para
coating.
may flavor, yung tablet, hindi mapait or something like that. But the active ingredients are really the ones that are, the one that has an effect in the
I see.
body, you know.
So,
And they
Doc,
are,
does it mean na yung active ingredients are basically the ones na nakalagay sa label natin? Tama
yung
ba po ng understanding?
yung excipient din are on the label.
All right. I
Yeah.
get it.
Di ba yung sa US kasi it's very clear, nakalagay the ones that are
Ah,
copper are the active one.
oh, wow.
And then sa ibaba yung maliliit na letter. Sometimes different countries have different style of labeling. But it shows there which are the active ones and which one are the excipients, you know. And
All
usually an
right.
excipient maliit lang ang amount noon. The one that you see on the tablets are mostly the active components, you know.
All right. Doc, my additional question, is it still safe to use expired supplements or skincare?
Yeah, well, we don't recommend to use expired, you know. Even if they are safe, for example, why do you want to use the expired thing? The reason there's a date there because it's guaranteed that the ingredients are still working well. Okay? Kung na-expire yung product, either hindi mo ginagamit or sumobra ang umorder ka ng one truck ng Hepasil, hindi mo naubos. Okay? I don't understand why people let their products expire. You should not have your product expired. Kasi when you order naman monthly or every 3 months, ubus na dapat yun within a year. Then otherwise, you're wasting money if you're letting the product expire. You should not have expired products. So you take
Thank
cup of prime so you don't forget that you have a product cabinet.
Kapag Prime is the key. Grabe, tinamaan ako, Doc. Kasi na-expirean ako ng luminous cream eh. Ang bilis umeffect, Doc. So parang okay na to. Pagtingin ko, ha? Tapos na-expired na siya. Anyway.
Oh, yung
Ayan.
luminous, you have to,
Ang
the
bilis eh.
cosmetic,
Nawala yung hyperpigmentation agad.
I know you have to maintain it. The cosmetic, you have to use it every day to maintain, you know. Yung bagong product nyo dyan, yung resurfacing serum is really good. We did a clinical trial on it, okay? Especially for young people like you will have bright skin, radiant skin, minimizes. Yun ang result ng clinical trial. We just finished it and fine lines and wrinkles, decrease in pigmentation proven by clinical trial. We will put the report in as a scientist, I don't know, maybe in 2 weeks. But you will see, okay? Don't look at my skin because I'm already 66. Don't compare my skin with your skin because my skin is still hydrated, okay? Yun nga lang may mga spots na. Spots na yun of aging. Okay, I cannot do anything about that.
Grabe, parang early 50s lang naman, Doc.
Huh?
Ayan. Thank you so much, Doc. Doc, meron pang biglang dumami yung questions. I hope you can still cater to Doc. So, eto, Doc, do you have idea what is the cost of manufacturing a Usana product?
Oh, depending on the ingredient. Nako, mahal, mahal. Mahal talaga. Because we sabi ko, hindi basta-basta, di ba? Yung mga ingredients. We have to manufacture a product, we have to buy the ingredient, we have to test the ingredient. Yung testing lang is already a lot of millions of dollars, you know? Imagine 26 countries or 24 except China and India because they have their own manufacturing. Imagine how much ingredient we buy. Kaya pagpunta nyo sa Yusana, you will see sako-sako ng ingredient yan. Okay? So, you'll see how expensive it is. Eh, kung yung sibuyas nga dyan sa Pilipinas, mahal na, di ba? Eh, yung ingredient, mas mahal pa dito sa US when we buy Bacopa. You know, we have to find Bacopa for your Copa Prime. We have to buy ginseng. So pagkamahal-mahal ng ginseng. And coffee fruit extract, hindi lang kape yun na binibili mo sa karinderya, you know. It's expensive. I cannot explain to you because it depends on the product, how much million of dollars we spend to buy those products, ingredient, test them, mix them together, test them again. Huwag mo nang problemahin yun, yung cost. Whoever asked the question, because you will have a headache. Just enjoy your
Mm-mm.
product.
Right,
Kaya nga, sabi nung iba, mahal naman ng yung sana product. Well, you get what you pay for.
right.
You get a high quality product. The reason that there is high price kasi premium naman yung ingredient. Hindi naman siya basta-basta, as I said. Okay?
Correct. Doc, speaking of ingredients na lang din, kanina ko pa to iniisip, parang where do we buy yung ingredients? Kasi some of the people that we encounter to, that we share Yusana to, they would tell us, mas preferred ko yung, I would just eat fresh, yung mga vegetables and fruits. So normally what I would do is I explain na we also have, parang we select high quality ingredients na all natural. Pero gusto ko lang malaman parang coming from a scientist, how would you explain that na yung in terms of um pagbili ng ingredient natin? Or is it all from the US or do we outsource from other countries as well?
Mostly from US. Of course, tama naman siya to eat fruit and vegetables, okay? Kaya lang, hindi naman concentrated yung, for example, to get the optimum dose of vitamin C, you need to drink at least 10 glasses of orange juice. Sino naman ang iinom nun? Ng 10 glasses of magtae ka na, 'di ba? I mean, in order to get the optimum dose, I have a different set of slides, maybe for another meeting. It shows you the different kind to get the optimum dose of vitamin C. You have to drink 10 glasses of orange juice. In order to get the optimum dose of vitamin D, you have to drink so and so number of glasses of milk, which is unrealistic, especially now, especially nowadays, people, even if they say they eat well, they don't really eat well, honestly, you know. That's why they end up with nutrient gap, okay? So, I don't know, a lot of people think they eat well, they eat vegetable, pero lettuce lang naman dun sa hamburger. Oh, is that enough? Oh, that's not enough. Or how many, ilang bako pa ang kakainin mo? Yung bako pa, yung ano bang Tagalog no? Nakalimutan ko na. Yung bako pa, nakikita nyo yan sa garden, dyan sa Philippines. Nakita nyo ba yung picture ng bako pa, yung nilalagay sa Copa Prime? Hinahalo yan sa salad eh. Ngalog sa Ilocano, sino bang mga Ilocano dyan? Ngalog. Yung, anyway, ilang plato ng bako pang kakainin mo to be able to get the optimum dose that you find in Copper Prime. Ah, kain ka ng 5 plato ng bako pa. Sige, let me see kung di ka magtae. Okay? Because you won't get the right amount of dose. You won't get 300 milligrams of Bacopa in that amount of number of plates, you know? Or ano bang magandang example? Yung example ng vitamin C. Sino sa inyong umiinom ng 10 glasses of orange juice? Sige nga, mahal ang orange juice. Mahal ang orange. You juice it. You know, it's okay if you do it, that's fine, you know? But if you want to get this amount of vitamin C that is in our supplements, then you have to take a supplement, you know. Nutrient gap, kaya tinawag na nutrient gap kasi marami, because they don't eat well, they need supplementation. Kahit dito sa US, maraming pagkain dito, but because people don't eat a balanced diet, hamburger sa umaga, hamburger sa tanghali, hamburger sa gabi, because it's a fast food, you know. Hotdog sa umaga, hotdog. Well, you end up with hypertension, cholesterol, and, you know, all other problems because of what you eat. Kaya dito sa US, kahit na punong-puno ng food ng supermarket, if people don't know what to cook and eat, then they come down with deficiency. I think one time I came to Philippines, I showed my slides on deficiency in US, in Europe, in Philippines. Yeah.
Ayan, thank you so much, Doc. So talagang malaki ang nutritional gap that we need to address na hindi kaya ng pagkain lamang, ng kain-kain lang. Okay. Thank you,
Mhm.
Doc. Doc, may
But you
another
have to eat too.
question.
Yung iba naman dyan, supplement na lang, hindi na kumakain. Well, that's
Right.
another extreme. That's bad too. You have to
Mm-mm. Tama.
balance it, you know?
Right. All the pillars of wellness talaga dapat natatap. Right. Doc, my question, though most of us would probably know the answer na it's because of canceling effect, pero baka you could expound more. So ang question niya is, bakit po hiwalay na product, bottle, ang core minerals and antioxidants? They were asking bakit hindi na lang gawin isang tablet.
Pag ginawa mong isang tablet yon, hindi mo na malunok. Kasi, kasi pag kinombine mo lahat yon in one tablet, you know how much the minerals are, and pag kinompress mo yon, imaginein mo yung vitamins and yung mineral. Di ba hiwalay siya? Pag, pag kinombine mo yon, hindi mo na siya malunok kasi ang laki-laki na ng tablet. You know, kaya hiwa-hiwalay yung tablet kasi yung iba nga dyan nagko-complain na lalaki daw ng tablet. Eh kung kinombine mo, mas malaki pa. Hindi mo na malunok. Kailangan mo na ng martilyo to break it, to mix it in your food. Yung iba nga, crush na lang yung tablet kasi hindi daw malunok. Eh, what can we do? That's the standard size. Actually, may mga sumulat sa amin na Asians, they want the tablet to become smaller. But then you will have 4 tablets to consume. Yung 2 tablet of, for example, 2 tablets yung kinoconsume mo with the standard size, paliitan mo pa, it becomes 4 small tablets, you know. It increases the bottling, the bottle, number of bottle will increase too. So, kaya hindi siya pwedeng i-combine kasi lalaki yung tablets. Pag malaki yung tablet, wala nang bibili kasi hindi na nila, they can swallow it. Like yung Buy Omega nga, it's very big but it's soft. Kaya ano ba yun? Madaling i-swallow. Kasi kahit malaki siya, very soft gel. Diba? But the other tablets, you cannot make it bigger than the standard.
Thank you so much, Doc. Doc, another question. Do we have reports po ba that chelated products are not safe for others, especially those taking prescription drugs? So siguro kung may contraindication ba siya, Doc?
Yeah, many of our ingredients are not chelated, you know. Eh, yung chelation na yan, well, you have to ask the oncologist. Kasi nga, may mga study dun sa other research that it may affect some cancer drugs, but we're not sure of that, you know. Marami pang question on that chelated substances, yeah.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Doc. So consult din, no,
Whatever we put in
oncologist.
our ingredient, I just assure you that whatever we have chosen to include in any product ingredient, those are well chosen already. According to current science, the safety is there, there's a research behind it, you know. Maybe 10 years from now, we find a better ingredient, then we change it, you know. But we go according to the current science, what is advantageous. But so far, our products have not produced any serious adverse event. That's what I'm saying, you know. Nothing of that. It's more of positive feedback from clients. That's why you are here. Most of you have used you have used the USANA products, diba? That's why you are here. You stayed because you have seen the difference. Many people, they say, "Oh, I'm gonna try another product." But after a few months, they're back. It's true. I'm not saying this, but like in US, they say, "Oh, somebody gave them another product and gave them a lot of hype, hype, HYPE." So they leave USANA. Then after a few months, they feel the difference. Oh, I'm coming back, to USANA because they feel the difference in their health, quality of life.
Right.
I'm not
Thank you,
saying
Doc.
it, I'm not saying it because I work with USANA, but I've been with other companies before and I see the difference.
Ayan. Thank you, Doc. And Doc, merong question dito. So pagsamahin ko na yung question sa resurfacing serum. So ang tanong nung isa ay for 80 plus age, pwede ba mag-work ang resurfacing cream natin or siguro yung serum ito? And then another one, yung resurfacing serum po ba, gagana pa po sa dark spots due to aging?
80 years old na. Okay. Okay. I don't want to make fun of it, but what it will do for elderly, what it will do, it will hydrate the skin. Hydration. Kasi the elderly, they also need care. For skin care, pag aging spot, medyo mahirap na siguro kasi alam mo na, pag 80 years old na, established na yung spots dyan. Pero yung hydration, it helps hydrate the skin. Because if your skin is hydrated, it it will still help the elderly because it helps when the skin is hydrated, it does not break easily. So it protects you from entry of infection. It protects the skin barrier. Okay? So I apologize. Napatawa lang ako kasi kasi marami dito elderly. Talagang gumagamit pa sila ng Celavive, but it's mainly for hydration. And some of them, pag 60s, maybe 70s, my hope pa yan that the fine line and wrinkles also disappear. Okay? But the main thing would be hydration. Okay? Lalo na dyan
Ayun.
Oh, dito sa Utah, especially because of the dry air, a lot of people have dry skin. So the elderly, they love the skincare product because it hydrates the skin. Okay. So don't forget about the elderly. They can take those. Even the Radiant, meron ba kayong Radiant oil dyan? Wala
Wala
yata
pa,
kayong
Doc.
Radiant
Wala pa
oil.
yung oil.
Even the resurfacing serum will make their skin glow. So yung mga lola nyo, gaganda pa rin. Okay?
Ayan. Sabi nga,
Just
Doc, ni Tita Fina, yung
hydration.
kanyang 102 years old na mom ay gumagamit ng Celavive. O, di ba?
Aba? I like to see the
Amazing.
photo.
Ayan. O, Tita
Send
Fina,
me a
send mo na kay
photo of
Doc.
your lola.
Alright,
Ah,
sige. So, Doc,
wow.
siguro last four questions na. So, I have three here na na-copy ko from the chat box. And then last na yung follow-up ni question ni Jam. And then if you have further
Ikaw
questions
naman,
after
last
this,
na, 5 minutes ago, last na yun ah.
last na to, Doc. So, if you have
Okay,
further
okay.
questions, you can email si Doc. Binigay niya naman yung kanyang email kanina. It's rolando.madela@usanainc.com. Doc, sorry na, last four. So, yung isa, Doc, I've seen other probiotic brands claiming 50 to 100 billion CFUs, while Usana's probiotic has 12 billion. Some people ask if that means ours is weaker. How do we explain why 12 billion is enough and how it compares in terms of effectiveness?
Yeah, the two probiotics that we have there are proven to be effective. Kaya may strain siya. Kasi like maraming klaseng lactobacillus. Baka yung strain na ginagamit ng iba, hindi naman strong strain. Maraming strain ng bifidobacteria, but the strain that we use are proven to work, safe and it works, kahit dalawa lang siya. Kasi yung iba, I don't wanna disparage other companies, but it's true that some they mix so many probiotics in there, pero yung iba maliit naman ang amount or it may not be proven to be effective. So just tell them the two that we have are strong strains. That's why there are only two in there, you know. In the future, if we find a stronger strain, then we add it there. But right now, the two that you have, it works very well. Oh, ito wag
Tama.
niyo na i-record ha kasi when I used to swim, even in swimming pool that is highly chlorinated, but now all the swimming pools are salt lang. Before when I used to swim, kasi yung tubig sa swimming pool madumi, di ba? Kahit anong swimming pool pa, kahit sa hotel, 5 star, 3 star, 2 star, they're all dirty. So, when I would go swimming, by accident you will drink the water, di ba? So with the water that you drink in the swimming pool, you get germs on. I used to have like LBM the next day. But when I started taking probiotics, when I go swimming, I don't anymore. And our probiotics are so convenient. When I travel to other countries, I have probiotics with me all the time because kasi if you live in US, you become spoiled with the water dito panay naman na distilled. So if I go to Philippines for example, if I don't drink bottled water, it takes me 5 days to adjust. So I have to take my probiotic in order to have a and then after that I'm okay, but I still drink my probiotic, okay? Because it really helps your gastrointestinal system. And it's very convenient. You just put in your pocket, you know. But when I travel to other countries na strict, baka pagkamalang drugs yun, I put it in my check-in. No, I'm just joking. But no, I'm not joking about the swimming. I just take the probiotic. Even here in US, I take it every day. Kasi convenient siya eh. I take it in the morning. after breakfast, and I'm okay the whole day. Yeah. Kasi proven na ng science yan na if your intestines are healthy, it affects a lot of your organ system. It affects your mind, it affects your skin, it affects many systems in your body. Kaya you have to eat well. You have to eat a lot of fiber. You take probiotic, the bacteria in our probiotic, eat the fiber, they become healthier. You so many things you can do to have a healthy gut. Don't you lessen your sugar. Yung mga umiinom ng soda dyan, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, litro-litro kayo. You better lessen it because too much sugar will destroy your gut. Okay? Lalo na dyan sa Philippines. I won't say the brand anymore, but I used to drink a lot of soda long time ago. Parang tubig. Especially you put ice. Wow.
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Thank you, Doc.
I
Tama.
I
So,
still
nakaka-save
do
talagang
once in a
gastos.
while. Yeah. Pag may party lang, once in a while, yeah.
Occasionally. Thank you, Doc. Doc, next question. Ang product po ba natin okay lang for life na taking?
As long as you can swallow. Your question is, should you take it for life? Yeah. Why should you not? You know? Di ba yung mga elderly, I used to work with gerontology section. You know, the elderly, they also need supplements because they are susceptible because they don't eat well, 'di ba? Yung mga elderly, may mga lola lolo kayo na they don't eat well anymore. And so they have a big nutrient gap. So you have to give them supplement in a way that they can swallow, you know. Yung iba nga dinidikdik na lang yung cell essentials. Kasi hindi naman makalunok si lola o lolo. So they do many creative things for them to be able to take the supplements, you know.
Okay, so Doc, ito, last two na ito. Can a 13-year-old take Prof C lalo na pag may sipon? Tapos may isa din na nag-type na 13 years old din. Ang case naman ay childhood cancer. So pwede daw ba ang self-essentials instead of Usanimal? So yung isa, Doc, Prof C, yung isa naman, self-essentials instead of Usanimal. Both 13 years old.
Oh, they can take self-essential, 12 and above, yung iba, as long as they can swallow. But if self-essentials are good too, you know, these are really made for pediatrics, you know, yung use animals. Yeah. So,
Alright, so
why in a
i-clarify ko
rush?
lang, Doc. Oo,
Why in a rush to take self-essential if there's use animals, you
isa.
know? By use animals, yung iba naman kasi ayaw daw nila ng flavor. Well, ano pang, if you put too much flavor, it's too sweet. Then if it's too sweet, there's too much sugar. So you have to balance those things, you know, you have to, I don't know how to explain. Yung iba, lalo na dito sa US, marami gusto nila, I would love to have a good flavor. Yeah, good flavor, it means to say maraming asukal yun. Maraming flavoring. So it's better
Hmm,
sometimes flavorless. Mm. But
right.
yeah,
Correct. And
I
sabi
don't
nga,
like.
Doc, na-acquire yung taste buds. Tama ba? Pag bata. So, kailangan lang mai-immerse siya sa mga ganong kind of food
Yeah,
na
yeah,
taste.
oo. Tayo nga lumaki sa Ampalaya eh. Oh, 'di ba? Kahit mapait, we still like it
Tama.
until now. Eh yung
Mm,
mga Amerikano, hindi sila sanay sa Ampalaya because they have not acquired the taste. Yeah.
mm,
They
right.
think it's poison kasi mapait masyado. But for us, it's medicine, yung Ampalaya. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
you develop taste from childhood.
Correct.
Yung bagoong. We love it so much, but they don't like it here. So those are all acquired taste.
Mm. Ayun. Doc, yung isa kanina na 13 years old, kaya gustong i-consider yung Solstentials instead of Eusanimals ay meron daw pong acute lymphocytic leukemia. So, yun. Pag may mga
Oh,
ganyang
pero
cases ka, Doc.
what did the doctor say? What did the oncologist say? You know, that's the main question because we cannot recommend kasi we don't know what was the finding in the ALL, acute lymphocytic leukemia. Baka what are the results of the tests? What did the doctor see that they cannot take use
Mm.
animals?
Yes.
Those are the things we need to consider. We cannot generalize. Baka may nakita siya na ingredient. I don't know what drug they're giving or chemotherapy they're giving to the
Mm-mm.
ALL. So those are the things that need to be investigated before you switch. Yeah.
Yes. And if yung oncologist nung nagtanong no is hindi siya part ng USANA and you would want to have point of view ng someone na doctor na oncologist na nasa USANA, message mo po ako, I can connect you to Doc Alex Delgado kasi na-try na namin magpa-consult sa kanya and very
Oo, si
holistic yung
Dr.
approach talaga
Delgado, I
niya.
know.
Yeah.
I know Dr. Delgado, Alex
Mm-mm.
Delgado. He is
Yes.
oncologist,
Yes.
you
So
know?
lahat ng test talaga tinitingnan niya and ine-explain niya ng
Yeah. Yeah.
maayos sa patient. So,
Mhm.
yan. Thank you so much, Doc. I think that's it. And last na si Jam, may ihabol daw siya. Ayan, sige, Coach Jam. Last na talaga to, Doc. Thank you so much for extending, Doc. We super appreciate you.
Thank you, thank you. Doc, I've gotten this question from the US where what the difference is between key activation and supplementation. Hindi ko po
The what?
ma-explain eh. The
What
difference
is?
po with key activation and supplementation, because I think one of the supplements that they have that they're taking there, it does key activation daw po. Tapos they say USANA only does supplementation.
Ano lang yun, mga marketing ploy. Eh meron naman tayong intelligence. What does intelligence do? It activates through
Mm.
cell signaling. So gumamit lang sila ng ibang term, key activation. What does our intelligence do? It activates the cell signaling molecule, activates the receptor. So that's not correct. They're saying that we are just supplementation. Well, we're correct. It's supplementation, but there are other things. There's intelligence in there. There's sometimes, oh, this is what I want to advise you. When you talk to other people, do not, if they come from another company, just listen to them and do not even comment on their. What I'm trying to say is do not put them down. That is what is the ethics of USANA is we know our products are good and we know how they are made. We vouch for their safety and efficacy. We have been voted number one by many third party. So if we have those credentials, we don't even worry about what they say. They're key activators or whatever, and we're not. That's not even correct. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
Gusto ko
Yeah.
yung that's not even correct.
Yeah,
Thank you
because
so much.
sinasabi lang nila yun in order to get a customer,
Mm.
right?
Para lang
But
may difference din sila, Doc.
what is the reality? But you as USANA associates, you don't need to do that. Just be confident that what you are receiving are world-class, excellent, safe, efficacious. Hindi mo na kailangan makipag-away kay Marites or kung sino, Karen. Yeah.
Karen.
Yeah. So,
Ayan.
Yeah,
Thank
many
you
of
so
that. In
much.
all the countries, ganyan. Sa Mexico, ganyan din. Pero yung iba, nagsara na. Kasi may mga bagong company sa Mexico, for example, sinasabi nila, oh, yung kayo, yung sana, ganyan lang. Yeah. But what is the evidence? We're still there and they're already closed. Sarado na. Oh. So, which is more credible, us or them? Mhm. So,
Ayan. Doc, siguro just to add on that, kasi isa rin sa mga usual na na-encounter ay yung sa stem cell. So, parang how would you position our, ano naman,
yung
though,
alin?
with the stem cell naman, Doc. So, yung mga stem cell product, ganyan.
Stem cell naman is different from what we have. Yung stem cell, yung talagang normal na stem cell, ginagawa yun sa surgery. Di ba? Yung tinatransplant mo yung stem cell. Yung ibang products naman that's claiming, we don't know yet. That's why we are not claiming anything stem cell in USANA because we have not shown in science that those are effective. So that's why we are not having those. Kasi yung mga stem cell na alam natin ngayon that really works are the one that they implant stem cell in your knee by surgery, you know. Hindi siya supplementation.
Right.
Kasi wala pang clear story about that with regards to supplementation. Okay? Kaya nga siya tinawag na stem cell because it comes from real cells that they put in your body. Even that is still, with some people it works, with some people it doesn't work. So, still under investigation. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Doc Madela. We truly, truly appreciate you. And with that, I would like to ask everyone to unmute. Ayan, pasalamatan natin ng bonggang-bongga si Doc na nag-extend pa talaga siya, no? Para lang makater lahat ng mga last na questions natin. So, thank you so much,
Thank
Doc.
you so much, Doc
Thank you
Madela.
so much,
Thank you,
Doc.
Doc.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Salamat, Doc.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Thank you so
Hope
much.
to see you in June sa Philippines.
Yes, see you, Doc. Doc, let's
Thank you,
take a
Doc.
Zoom meet lang, Doc, before you leave. Mag-quick, picture lang tayo, Doc. Ayan, para may remembrance kami sa talagang extended na talk na to. Alright, sige guys. So,
With
open your cameras.
the whole gallery.
Thank you,
Yes,
Doc.
yes,
See you
Doc.
again by August.
Full gallery
Yeah.
po ito, Doc. Ayan, I will send it to you as well. Alright, game. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, so taking another ano tawag dito, window, no? 1, 2, 3, and smile. So keep on smiling kasi hindi natin alam kung nasang page kayo. Okay, 1,
Bakit
2,
hindi
3, and
pwede
smile.
yung ano? Why don't you put the whole square?
Hindi kaya, Doc. Marami tayo na 84
19.
tayo. So parang by 20s lang siya. Ayan. Okay na, Doc. Captured na lahat ng pages
Okay.
natin. So 4 pages.
Oh,
Thank
thank you
you,
din.
Doc.
Thanks for
Thank
Thank you so
listening.
much,
See you
Doc.
on
Salamat,
August.
salamat.
Doc, see you sa
Thank
college.
you, Doc.
Bye-bye
God
po.
bless, Doc Stella.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, thank you. I'm
See
going
you.
to
Thank
have
you, Doc.
breakfast now. Almusal na.
Ayan. Have a good one, Doc. Thank you so much. We
Okay,
truly,
thank you.
truly
Bye.
appreciate you. Guys, again, 6
Bye.
months in the making po itong invite natin kay Doc. So, we are truly honored no to have him tonight. So, see you next week. We're gonna be in Singapore. So, for those who will not be able to fly to Singapore for our regional convention, we will have still product training. So, babalik na po tayo ng 7 p.m. Yung usual na time talaga natin. We just adjusted it ngayon because of the time zone nga na meron si Doc Roland. So, see you next week and stay tuned for
See
the
you.
poster na lang po. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Doc.
Bye.
Appreciate you
Bye.
po.
Yaman
Bye,
kami, Doc.
everyone. So guys, na ano na tayo ha, nakuha na natin pati yung handling objections, di ba? Naturuan na tayo ni Doc how to position our company, our products. So I hope hindi siya magstay sa Zoom na to, magamit natin natin siya, ma-apply natin siya kaagad no sa mga susunod na mga kakausap natin. Pag may mga concerns sila, we would be more confident to answer, okay? Na not in a disagreement way, di ba, or approach, pero with certain confidence that our products are really super, tawag dito, nothing comes close talaga to Usana. So, yun lamang. Have a great week ahead, everyone. Bye-bye po.
Thank you, Coach Lyra, sa
Thank you, Coach
pag-organize.
Lyra.
Thank
You're the
you.
best.
Bye.